Hey, Cooper Truck fans. Oh, I'm exhausted. I worked all weekend on the truck, but I made a lot of headway this particular weekend. But I'm figuring that y'all'd like to see this because, I've been working on it since I think April 27th, whenever we actually brought it in the shop to redo it. But we did all the metal fab and then put the epoxy resin primer on it and done everything as far as sealing the truck and then re-seating seal everything, and then I got it brought back to South Carolina, and then I had to do all the distressing and building it the way it looks now. So let's take a look at it. Here we go. There's some kids over here checking the truck out a minute ago, over there hollering and stuff. So, but yeah, I tried to get it as close as I could back to the way it was in the original movie, and I even went as far as getting the gashes on the side of it back to the way it was in the other movie. And I redid the back side of it too. Put a new floor in. Distressed everything. Most of it's back the way it was. But anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll make another video soon.